Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And we have our special friend with us again today.
Hi, I'm Carlina.
Welcome. What are we making today?
Today, we're making paper polar bears.
Oh, those are super cute. I can't wait to make one.
So before we get started, we are going to be doing a breathing exercise. So I found out that polar bears have to be really good at swimming. And so they actually swim like this with their paws in front instead of like this. So we will be doing something like that for our breathing exercise today. So as you breathe in, you're going to have your paws just like this. And then when you breathe out, you're going to go like this. And then we're going to do that 2 times together.
Okay.
All right.
So
Nice, thank you.
Yeah, that was just like a polar bear.
yeah.
I like it. What supplies are we needing today for our craft?
Toilet paper roll, white paper, black marker, colored marker, scissors, glue stick, or tape. So what is the first step?
So the first step is you're going to take your either toilet paper roll or part of a paper towel roll, and you're going to cut a piece of white paper to match the size, the height of the roll, and you're going to wrap it around and then tape it. And that's the polar bear's body.
All right. All right.
One more piece of tape. Okay, and then Carlina, what's the next step?
So the next step is we're going to cut out the paws. So you're going to cut out 4 like oval shape paws. And then after you cut them out, we're going to take the black marker and make the little paw.
Okay, I did some of mine already.
Yeah.
Me too.
And then after you're done making your paws, you're going to tape them or glue them on.
Okay.
Okay, so 2 on the bottom and 2 up top.
Yep.
So I learned an interesting fact about polar bears.
What is it?
So we think of them as white because yes, they are white, but there's a surprise under all that bright white fur. Their skin is actually black. And so some of it, you can see it comes through like on their snout, on their nose, but they really have black skin underneath all that white fur.
Oh, Peggy, that's so interesting. I never would have thought that.
Yeah, that's really cool.
I'm doing my tape. I'm just sort of looping it around so it becomes double-sided tape.
Mm-hmm.
Do it any way you want it.
That's how I did mine too. So this is kind of what it looks like.
Oh, I like it. I like your paws.
All right.
Thank you.
I did mine. Here they are. Peggy, do you like my paws?
I like your paws. Yeah.
Thank you, Carlina.
Here's mine.
I like those, Peggy.
Oh, cute. Yeah.
Very nice. So what's the next step going to be?
So the next step is to do the face. So you can either use googly eyes if you have, or you can draw on the eyes and make a nose and a mouth. And then if you want some rosy cheeks, you can use a marker and make some rosy cheeks.
Okay, great.
I gave my sample guy some eyebrows, so you can
Oh, that's
kind of
cute.
add whatever
like
you
that.
want.
All right. And while we're doing it, I also have a little polar bear fact, which I learned, which is that the average female polar bear weighs 570 pounds.
Oh my
Although when
gosh.
she's pregnant, she can weigh 1,000 pounds, and the average male polar bear weighs 1,000 pounds. So,
That's pretty big.
yeah.
That is.
Okay. I'm not sure my polar bear looks maybe a little angry, but you know, polar bears have all kinds of emotions. So there's
I like it.
thank you.
Mine's a little,
Cute.
mine's more like a silly, happy face, I guess.
Oh, and they look great. Okay,
Yeah.
so what's the last step?
So the last step is you're going to make some ears. So we're just going to cut out like little oval shapes like we did like with the paws,
Okay.
and just we need 2 of them. And then we're going to tape or glue them on the inside here.
Okay, so just right inside.
Yeah, like right above the face or where you think the ears should go.
Okay.
Yeah, kind of right at the top.
Very cute. And while we're doing that, I do have a joke.
I was going to ask, I didn't know it.
Could never forget that. What do polar bears like to eat?
What do polar
What?
bears like to eat? What?
Burritos.
I like that.
That's a good
That's
one.
fun.
Thank you.
Now I'm imagining a polar bear eating a burrito.
I know. Okay, this angry polar bear is done. He looks so cute. I love it. Or she.
I dropped my ear.
Yeah, almost done.
They're cute.
They are cute. Very nice. I thank you both for showing how to do these. I love my polar bear.
Yeah.
And
We're
if
glad
you-
you joined.
Thank you. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.